Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we just got our first order. This is going to be for McDonald's, going 4.5 miles.
What's that on the pickup there?
4F2.
Right.
Thank you. Should have known. 0 tip on that one. Total ended up being $3 and change. What a waste of time. At least we got the next order right away. This is going to be for Angels, going 3.5 miles.
Thank you, sir. You have a wonderful day.
You as well, thank you. The place is usually not that busy this early in the morning. Not until all the car heads get hungry. Ooh, pretty good tip. Total ended up being $11 for that one. Kind of made up for the previous one. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8, going 3 miles, only one item.
Thank you. Welcome.
Why do I need a pin for this? What the? Going right back to Safeway, we've got a shop and deliver. I think this is alcohol. $10, going 2 miles, only one item.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
Actually, just need one of these.
Oh, alright, good. Anything else?
No, that's gonna be it.
Alright, I just gotta take that to the front.
Yep. Next order lined up right after this. We've got a Burger King, $10 and change, going 6 miles. Okay, and then just a scribble on that line.
Alright, there you are, good sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah. Oh, sugar. How many would you like?
Next order up, we've got a Panera. This one's going 4.5 miles. Thank you. There you are. Total ended up being just under $10 for that one. Pretty good. And now we're heading to Seize the Bagel. This one's going to be going 5 miles.
Brittany G.
Thank you. Total ended up being $13 for that one. Bro, this place is a maze. Where am I even going? Just got the next order, and this one is gonna be really, really bad, but it is what it is. We got a Black Rock coffee going 7 miles, and those 7 miles are gonna leave me pretty much in the middle of nowhere.
It's just one. Oh yeah, you can feel that.
Oh, this is do not enter. Accidentally entered. Whoops.
Your destination is on the left.
Surely there's no way to turn around here, is there? Yeah. Said do not enter for a reason. Thank you, GPS. Okay, thank you. Now that's a juicy $1 tip. Total ended up being $8. Oh, how I love my life. Next order just came in. We've got a Panda Express going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Yikes. $1 tip. Total ended up being $5. Just got the next order. We're heading to Sherry's. This one is going to be 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah,
You too. Holy. Total ended up being $17 for that one. Huge tip. And we just got the next order. This is gonna be for McDonald's, going 4.5 miles.
What's up, bro?
Thank you. Total ended up being $9 and change for that one. I don't know if that was worth it because that weight was kind of nutty. But we got the next order. This is Starbucks, going 5 miles. Thank you. $1 tip there. Total ended up being $5. I guess that's better than no tip, right? Next order just came in. This is for a place called Thai Terrace, and it's heading 5 miles. We got a DoorDash pickup.
Under the name?
Michael.
So it's about 15 to 20 minutes because I just got order.
Okay.
I just got order like 1 minute ago.
Yeah, we're not gonna be waiting 15 to 20 minutes for that. Okay, we got the next order. This is gonna be for Seize the Bagel. This one's going 4 miles. Thank you. Okay, guess it's going all the way upstairs. Total for that ended up being $7 and change. And on that note, I'm going to be calling it here. Current time is 11:21. Total, we are at 117. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.